Nutrient management is a critical component of agricultural production in the southwest of Western Australia. Most soils used for agriculture in this region are highly weathered, light textured, with a limited capacity to store nutrients. The nutrient supply from these soils is usually lower than what crops and pastures require to maximise yield, meaning that we have a gap between the demand for nutrients by crops and the supply of nutrients from soil. Nutrient management through fertiliser application, crop rotation or soil amelioration helps bridge the gap between supply and demand. In the last 30 years, land use in WA has changed from about 60% grazing to about 60% cropping. The change to more intensive cropping has coincided with a decrease in the area planted to legume crops and pastures, which means that in most cases, the supply of organic nitrogen is lower, leading to a greater reliance on nitrogen fertiliser. The intensification of crop production and higher yields through increasing water use efficiency has led to a significant increase in fertiliser use in grain production. In the last 30 years, imports into WA of urea have increased by over 400% and potassium fertilisers by over 600%. Fertiliser is now the highest variable cost in grain production for most farmers. The shift towards a greater reliance on fertilisers has increased the importance of decision making around fertiliser use. Any factors that reduce the efficiency of fertiliser use, decrease economic returns to growers, and increase the risk of negative environmental effects. The knowledge base that has been developed through research is a critical component for building the decision support models or guides that enable farmers to bridge the gap between nutrient supply and demand in a profitable and sustainable way.